Tree cutting and trimming Bellmore. Welcome to Tree Cutting and Trimming Bellmore. Most trees and shrubs need trimming once or twice a year depending on the type. Our crews have the know-how and the tools to do the job right. Trimming shrubs and pruning trees help create a healthy, strong, attractive plant. Trimming shrubs into certain shapes to fit different styles is possible. Pruning tree branches can improve your safety when the branches grow too large and block your visibility when leaving your driveway, for example. Pruning off dead or diseased branches will improve the health of the plant. In some cases, pruning a tree to encourage making more flowers is possible. Call us 516-589-8526 to get a free estimate. For more information, please visit our website, www.branchingoutney.com. Or contact us through phone, 516-589-8526. You can visit our office, 201 Washington Avenue, Bellmore, New York 11710. Tree cutting and trimming Bellmore.